This video will introduce you to accordions for your Drupal website. I'll go over the form and function of the accordion microcontent, show you how to create one, and demonstrate how to place an accordion on a page. Like its musical namesake, an accordion can open and close to reveal or hide content. An accordion lets visitors choose how much of a certain topic they want to read by collapsing parts of the content under simple headings that can be expanded and collapsed again. It is intended for presenting content when visitors need only a few specific pieces on a page, such as frequently asked questions, condensing content when there is a lot to display on a single page, replacing tab interfaces when migrating content from an older page to your new website. Accordions look great on basic pages and can also be placed on landing pages. To start making your accordion, you can either hover over Create in the side navigation and select Accordion in the menu that appears there, or select Content from the side navigation, then select the blue Add Content button, scroll down to the Micro Content section, and select Accordion. This will bring you to the Create Accordion page. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk, and all other fields are optional. For an accordion, you are required to add a title, and for each accordion item, you will need to add a title and a description. For this demonstration, I will be entering generic placeholder type text. Please give your writing more thought. Let's kick things off with a title for our accordion. Note that you can toggle the title of your accordion on or off by checking or unchecking the Hide Title box underneath the title field. Next, there's an optional description field that will show text under the title and above the items within the accordion. Moving on, enter the first item for your accordion by giving it a title or heading. And then entering text into the description below. Once complete, select the Add Another Item button below that to enter the next item. Carry on until you've completed your accordion or have maxed out all 20 items possible per accordion. Now you're ready to save your accordion. You have several Save As options, including Draft if the accordion is unfinished or needs to be reviewed, or Published if it's complete and ready to place on a page. Let's select Published and then select Save. When you do so, you will remain on the accordion creation page, but you'll notice it's now called Edit Accordion, and there's a status message announcing that we've created our accordion. You can find your accordion anytime by going to Content in the side navigation, typing the name of the accordion, filtering by accordion content type, and selecting Filter. The accordion you're looking for should appear in the results, and you can edit it by either selecting on the name or the Edit button on the right side of the page in the Operations column. When you make an accordion, you will only be able to view how it looks by placing it on a basic page or a landing page, so let's do that next. This is the edit view of a basic page. Scroll down to the body of your page. In the Body Field toolbar, select the Insert Component icon to open a drop-down menu and then select Accordion. This will open a pop-up window. In this window, you could create a new accordion on the fly, but for this demonstration, we're going to place the accordion we just made. At the top of this window, select the link to open the accordion library. This will open all existing accordions. Check the box next to the accordion you want to add, scroll down, and select the blue Select button. Doing so will swap that pop-up window with another smaller one to choose or confirm where you want to embed the accordion. You may leave the default setting and select Embed. This will take you back to your basic page editing view, and you'll notice a gray box with the name of your accordion embedded in the body field. You may leave this here, or you can drag and drop it to another location within the body. Selecting elsewhere in the body field will de-highlight the box. When you hover over the box, the outline will turn yellow, and selecting on either of the small return icons will add a space either above or below your accordion. You can also select the accordion box and then use your keyboard or other controls to delete it. Once you're happy with the placement of your accordion, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Save to save your work. You'll then see the updated page with the addition of the accordion we've added. You can see the title of the accordion, the description, and the two headings with their descriptions underneath. Adding an accordion to a landing page is a little different, so let's look at that next. In the upper right corner of the landing page, select the three dots to the right of the Edit button to open a small menu of options. Select Layout from this menu to open the layout editor for this page. Scroll down to the link at the bottom of the section that says Add Block and select that. A black side menu will appear on the right side of the window. Select Accordion from this menu. The sidebar will change, and here confirm your choice by selecting Add Accordion. As before, select the link at the top of the pop-up window to access the accordion library. Scroll or type to find the accordion you want to place. Check the box next to its name. Scroll down to the bottom and select the blue Select button. The pop-up window will disappear, and the name of the accordion we want to add is now in the side menu. In this menu, select Insert Block, and our accordion will be added to the bottom of the page. At this point, you may drag and drop the accordion block to reposition it on the page as you like, or you can leave it where it is. If you want to remove this block, you may select the small pencil icon in the upper right corner of the block and select Remove Block. A second step is required here to confirm you want to remove the block, and if you select Remove, the accordion will disappear. The accordion itself would not be deleted, just removed from the page. When you like where it is, go back to the top of the layout editor and select the Save Layout button to save your changes. Doing so will take you out of the layout editor to view the updated landing page. If you ever need to edit the accordion itself, there are a few ways to do this, and I'll show you what I think is the best, most user-friendly method. Go to the Content Overview by selecting Content in the side navigation. Type the name of the accordion or filter by accordion content type, and then select Filter. Find the accordion you want to edit and either select the name or the Edit button in line with that accordion on the right side in the Operations column. Make any changes you want to make, and remember to select Save at the bottom. Because accordions are micro-content and the same accordion can be used on multiple pages, it's important to remember that any changes you make to the accordion will take effect wherever it appears on the website. If you need to change an accordion for just one instance, it's best to create an entirely new one to prevent changing all instances. Accordions require some user interaction, making them less accessible than plain paragraph copy. Because of this, use them sparingly and wisely. If the content you're considering for an accordion is relatively short and could easily fit on a page without needing much scrolling, we recommend using headings and paragraphs instead of an accordion. If, on the other hand, the content is lengthy or you're migrating a lot of content from 4 or more tabs on an older website, use an accordion to condense and organize this content. You've made it to the end of the video, and we didn't even have to dance the polka. I hope you've learned how and when to create an accordion and how to place one on a basic page and a landing page. Check out some of the other videos to learn about other micro content types to use on your website. And thanks for watching.